I am going to tell you about how to improve your health immunity and stay safe in current epidemic. Nowadays, everyone are afraid from coronavirus and want to improve their immunity by medication, Ayurvedic medicine and other experiments so they do not get affected by coronavirus. For that, you have to watch entire video. There is one golden experiment of Ayurveda which will help to stay protected and empower your immunity. This Ayurvedic medicine called Swarna-Jal or golden water. I will explain you how to make it at your home. First, you have to take pure gold coin. If you don't have coin, you can take jewelry of pure gold. Take bangle, earrings, rings and chain. Before taking any one of these in use, you have to make sure that it has been washed properly. You can wash it by hot water or soap water to remove dust. After cleaning, you have to put gold coin in a glass of fresh water overnight, like this and like this. And Swarna-Jal is ready to take in the morning. You have to take Swarna-Jal in the morning and evening with empty stomach. You don't have to eat anything for half an hour. If you feel hungry, you can take cow milk. After half an hour, you can take your breakfast. Please take care of that during consumption of Swarna-Jal. You do not take alcohol, fermented food, spicy food and habitually food. Instead of that, you should take more and more snigdha bhojan like milk, ghee, butter and with chapati. How much of Swarna-Jal you have to take? For 1-year-old baby, half to 1 spoon of Swarna-Jal is enough. For 1 to 5-year-old child, 1 to 3 spoon of Swarna-Jal is enough. For 5 to 12-year-old child, you have to take half glass of Swarna-Jal. For 12-year to any age, you have to take a full glass of Swarna-Jal. You can take this Swarna-Jal minimum 7 days to 1 month. Right now, there is not a single drug available to cure coronavirus. This Swarna-Jal is safe for everyone to use to prevent infection of coronavirus and for those who are suffering from coronavirus. It helps to improve immunity. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe my channel to get updated with new videos.